are a definite source of inspiration for all of us. Now I would like to invite the Honorable Academic Advisor of Sai Vinayak International School, Mr. Nityanand Jaina sir, to please come upon and address the audience.
A very, very colorful good evening to one and all those are present over here. Esteemed, with due permission from the President of the function, esteemed Chief Guest, esteemed Chief Speaker, and the galaxy of the elite persons in the dais. I take this opportunity once again to thank all the parents for reposing faith in the beginning, in the middle stage of this institution. Friends, you must be thinking that the humble beginning of Sai Vinayak International School has spread its wings and the feather further added, a cap has been added when the school has granted appellation from Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi. Today is the second annual annual function of this new born institution in Bhadra. At the beginning, I must congratulate the promoters of this institution who have struggled a lot to establish this institution, and personally I have experienced that the turmoil, the hurdles what they have faced. That is Mr. Manoj Kumar Padi, the patron of the institution, Mr. Pramod Kumar Raut, the chairman of the institution, and their better half who have extended consistently their moral support and blessings for the growth of this institution. Children as the future of the society. Parents, I request you, never think that only the percentage of marks is the yardstick or the paramount for the success of your children. Because they have to encase all their talents, like the troupe who have performed Odissi, just they have learned 4 or 5 days, and they are none less than the professionals who could exhibit such an excellent performance before you. In the similar way, education is the all-round development of the institution. Nobody knows what will happen to whom when they will grow. Of course, you have already heard the report, the welcome speech, and the chief guest and the chief speaker is also enlightened the august audience in the effective manner, because I know I have shared the dais with Pandit Sangram Acharya, who is having in-depth morality to guide you in the better and effective in the positive way. He is, by and large, he is a spiritual speaker who can give you much of the moral teaching. I do not want, I can only tell you my appeal to all the parents that today you see, you enjoy this annual function from beginning to the end, and you share your experience with each of your neighbor and share it and tell it and spread the message of the success of Sai Vinayak School, so that the entire Sai Vinayak fraternity can grow into larger size. The management, though within the short span of the establishment of the institution, we are having all the latest development like that, gadget to impart the quality education. The school has been enriched in the library. The school is having the smart board facility. The school is having a children's park, and all the requirements of the students are being fulfilled in the phased manner, and we are no way, to lag behind with the other old institution of Bhadrak. So that's what I do not want to be a barrier, because you know that after the meeting, after the speech of the chief guest, the chief speaker, a lot many cultural extravaganza is awaited. So have the patience, enjoy the function, don't leave the function in between. And with this, I wish Sai Vinayak family best of luck, and all the students best of your annual function. Thank you all.